Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your files, like documents, videos, or images, to a shared Google Drive link just like this one. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. First, we have this shared Google Drive link. Instead of tapping on it directly, press and hold the link, then copy it. Now, open any browser on your phone. I'll use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Next, paste the link into the address bar and hit go. If you're asked to sign in, just log in using your Google account. Once the page opens, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and check Desktop Site. It's important to turn on desktop mode, because you can only upload files to Google Drive when it's in desktop view. Now that we're in desktop mode, you can see all the folders inside this shared drive. You can either upload your files into an existing folder or create a new one. To make a new folder, click on New Folder. In my case, I'm going to upload my files inside the 𝐸𝐚𝐬𝐡𝐓𝐚𝐠𝐬 folder, so I'll just double-click on that folder to open it. Once inside, click on New File Upload. Now select the file you want to upload. I'll pick a document file for this example. Then tap OK or Open to start uploading. You'll see the upload progress at the bottom. Wait for it to finish, and once it's done, you'll see your file appear in the folder, just like that. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your files to a shared Google Drive link. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips.